I just bought these Darn Tough socks and I love them. I love the patriotic look to them as well as the comfort. Darn Tough socks, they come with a guaranteed for life warranty. They're also made in the US in Vermont, so it's really awesome to have a wonderful made in the US company. These are size large. I am a size 12 shoe in US, and these things have been fantastic. Now, how much do I love Darn Tough socks? Well, so much that I also got some more, and because of the lifetime warranty, whenever I wear them out, I get a new one in the mail. Now you just have to mail back your ripped, torn pair or the ones with the holes in them. Usually I get a hole in the bottom just because I wear them so much. But how much more do I love Darn Tough socks? Oh, let me look at the ways. Oh, look, my sock drawer is full of Darn Tough socks. Because of the lifetime warranty of them, I just can buy different types of Darn Tough socks, and then I don't have to worry about buying any more, because once I have, let's say 10 pairs, I do a lot of activities, so I might wear, a couple within a day. Then I can just go through and keep using them, and I never had to buy a bunch of socks. These are really great style here. They are very comfortable. These are the lightweight, so they do not have any cushioning on them, which just they use thicker material here to be able to make it on the cushion. So this is the lightweight version. I love the merino wool feel. So I get these, I use them for running, I use them for mountaineering, I use them for biking, and the merino wool, it's not the merino wool of old. This stuff is so comfortable, keeps you nice and dry, also keeps you warm, and the comfort is key here. I never have to worry about blisters or anything funky here. These have just been fantastic. I love Darn Tough socks. I know you are gonna love them as well. And who knows, once, because of the lifetime warranty, you just buy a few and you never have to worry about buying any more. You just send in the warranty and then you get another pair.